Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying your Apple ID across your devices and enabling Find My Plus location services. This is essential because the service links to your account. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network and perform a quick restart to refresh network and location caches. Make sure background app refresh is allowed for the Find My app so it can update locations. These first steps clear common session errors and prepare the device for deeper troubleshooting. Next, diagnose why Find My isn't reporting location. Check settings for location services and ensure the app has precise location permission because that directly affects accuracy. If permissions look correct, sign out of your Apple ID, then sign back in to reset authentication tokens. This often resolves account sync problems. Also update iOS or Mac OS to the latest release because system bugs affecting Find My are commonly fixed in updates. If needed, toggle airplane mode briefly to force a new network handshake. To finish, verify that activation lock and lost mode are configured for a missing device so you retain security and recovery options. These features matter if you can't immediately locate a device. If the app still fails to update locations, reset network settings to clear corrupt Wi-Fi or VPN configurations. This preserves your data, but removes saved networks. Finally, if problems persist, gather device logs and contact Apple support or visit an
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.